Hello everyone, welcome back to Fortissimo by PaleNeØ. Man, Crowd Surf Rider, the last song, really impressed me. I like that very, very much. I'm actually kind of want to listen to that song again. But we will continue with the album. Rain Bright is the next song. Like from this title, Rain Bright, I would assume it's a not as much of an energetic, fun, fast-paced songs, more the opposite, but we will see. There were immediate sounds that faded out. Not sure what that is. Yeah, this is kind of a bit more of a mellow type song, I would assume. Makes sense from the name. All this bell or whatever that sound is, that high sound, really fits nicely with the guitar. It's a mix of English and Japanese. I didn't really pay attention in the first songs, to be honest. Faraway drum sound. So much. You know, funnily, I think when she's singing in the verse, she sounds a lot more raw. But I think there are just a lot more layers added when she's in that chorus section. Maybe it's the other members, I'm not sure. I mean, yeah, that was solid. That was kind of what I expected. Maybe could have added some really tasty solo in there to bring that song up a little bit. I mean, you know, I wouldn't skip this song never when I would listen to this album. It's still good enough for that, but it's not a song that I would come and look for. But it's just also my personal taste, I guess. I just love the more energetic, fast-paced, upbeat stuff more. But yeah, let's check out this next song as well. I want to know what this letter means. Who? Dare. Ah, that's the sign for Dare. I see. I will not be able to remember that. Anyway, Dare or who? Fuzzy bass. Damn, the drums. The drumming in this is pretty intense, but I'm not even sure if they actually have a drummer now. Marching beat. Some nice bass lines. Bass coming out strong here. And the drums are very intense the whole time. Okay, that was Dare, or Who. You know, much more of a straightforward song, I would say, than some of the others, like the singles, for example. Yeah, you know, I liked the song, but it also didn't really bring anything to the table that made me like go wow. I like the solo, I like the overall vibe and riff. Drums in to my ears the star of this song because the drums yeah, really went really intense. But again, you can let me know, or you have to let me know if they have a drummer now, because I don't see anyone on this cover here. I saw some drum player in the video, but maybe it's just for the video they put someone there so it doesn't look weird without a drum set. But yeah, you know, again, the bass, when it comes through, it's really nice. So I would wish for a bit more of that in the general sound. But yeah, this was a cool song. Nothing really special, in my opinion. One thing I noticed while listening to the song is like how not ideal they are put into this. I assume, I'm not sure if it's AI generated, but like this background picture. Because if you know, I don't know, if you look at their feet, for example, here, I think half of the foot is missing actually, and like the lighting, it's not 100% ideal, I would say, but doesn't really matter. It's about the music, so just something I noticed. Anyway, you can let me know your thoughts in the comments as usual, and see you next time. Bye.